Welcome to the LeakAlertor 6000 video series. This video will cover how to install your Gen 2 LeakAlertor for the first time. The LeakAlertor installs in less than 30 seconds, without the need for any tools or special setup steps. First, lift the lid off your toilet and set it aside. Place the unit anywhere along the rim of the tank where it will not interfere with the operation of your toilet. For the video, we're going to install the unit on the front of the toilet so you can watch the LEDs. Replace the lid. Then gently press the LeakAlertor against the tank and firmly pull the battery activation tab straight down. The unit will flash all three LEDs and beep once. After a brief pause, the green LED will begin to flash for the next hour. During this initial hour, the unit and sensors acclimate to the toilet. You may use the toilet during this hour, however, the unit will not respond to the reset button and will not beep or flash during a flush, as it has not begun to monitor your toilet. Do not remove the unit during this hour. At the end of the hour, the unit will begin to flash all three LEDs at the same time. When this happens, flush the toilet to complete the installation. The green LED will flash during the refill cycle and will continue to flash for a few seconds after the fill valve turns off. If you have a dual flush toilet, use the full flush setting. The unit is now ready to begin monitoring your toilet for leaking flappers, faulty fill valves, and running toilets. Thanks for watching. For further information, please check out the rest of the resource page and the FAQs.